Abdul Razak SEO. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you how to automate link building using Grok. So there is a tool that can build backlinks automatically, and this tool is connected with Grok AI. So it's going to, with the API, it's going to automatically build backlinks. Without wasting much of a time, I'm going to show it to you. First of all, let's check the AI engine. By the AI engine here, we can see Grok. So this is what we are going to activate, and it's going to connect with the API to click and to build backlinks automatically on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. I don't have to explain what backlinks are and how to use backlinks. That is not the video today. Today's video is only how to connect with Grok, and it's going to do the work as you sleep. So first of all, this is the trial version, and the website is AI LinkBoost. We go to the license activation, and by the license activation, this is only a trial version. So I'm going to use the trial version for us to do this campaign. So let me show it to you. First of all, let's copy the license key. I'm sorry about that. And we're going to paste the license key here. So what we are going to do is, first of all, activate the key. So here we have 50,000 URLs pending. But then before we continue, we have to go back and complete these steps. You can see if I hover the mouse to the start button, I cannot click on the start. And if I come over here, because I've activated the, the license, so I can use Grok. But then we have to complete all these steps before we can run this link building campaign. So to do that, we have to put our keyword. So let's say my keyword is CBD oil. So this is my keyword. So I'll click on discover URLs. It's going to connect with ChatGPT, Cloud, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, and Grok, of course, Kimify, Perplexity Lab, GenSpark, Manu AI, Google, Bing, Yahoo. So it's scanning all these platforms, and after that, it's going to run it based on the given keyword to find possible link insertion opportunity. So here we can see here crawling. So the tool is crawling all these platforms to find links. So that is why it's moving so fast. But before then, we wait before it's finished, and then we can continue. All right, so let's take a look at the link intelligence. Here at the link intelligence, we have so many options, and the tool is going to keep on working in the background and give us the live stats of what is happening as the links are being built. Okay, and the logs is going to show us the steps by steps. I mean, everything that we do, if we make any savings, is going to show us. And the settings, here by the settings, we have target domain. I cannot edit this place. I cannot put in my domain because I'm using the trial, and the trial is just to show you the power of this tool. So once you subscribe and you are a member, or you have your license key or premium key, that is where you can use your domain and your keyword to run this tool and build high quality backlinks. It's going to do everything automatically. You don't have to do nothing. And here are the keywords. So the keywords, it has no limit. Most of the time, from 1 to 100, 200 it takes, but then it depends on your on your premium package. And here we have the AI comment that has been used to make sure that the links or the backlinks or the webmasters approve this link insertion campaign. And we have the enable indexing submission. There is where once the links are built, it submits them automatically to Google for indexing. So you don't have to do nothing. Make sure that you activate and it's on. Enable proxy rotation. This is going to make sure that your IP address is not shown. So this is automatically built in the tool. So the next thing we have to do is just click save. So after clicking the save, now let's see. Here we have SEO audit. So by the SEO audit, once you click on it, it's going to take you where you can do live audit of your website. So by doing live audit, you can see all that is wrong with your website, what needs to be fixed. So you can have them fixed and make sure your website is up and running. So let's go back to the license activation and see it's still running and getting more URLs for our link building campaign. Now it's almost over 110,000 and running. Okay, so we have to wait for it a little bit to finish. By the FAQ, if you have any question, what makes your links high quality? We click on it, it says our links are considered high quality because they are contextual relevant from authoritative sites, editorial approved, and do follow links. Is AI LinkBoost safe for my website SEO? Yes, we adhere to search engine guidelines by focusing on quality over quantity. Our process mimics natural manual outreach, which is a safe and effective long-term SEO strategy. We avoid tactics that could lead to penalties. So we know what SEO is, we know how to get the backlinks, and we make sure that every client is getting the required high quality backlinks that they deserve for their site. Now back to license activation. You can see source URL is finished, that is this one, and also the license key is also activated, and we've saved the settings here. So let's go back and see the settings is also active. Now we have to select our AI. So depending on the AI that you select and how intelligent is your artificial intelligence, sometimes it depends the number of backlinks and the quality of backlinks that you are going to get, because the AI link building campaign is different from all the models. So now let's go back here, and our model is Grok. Let's click on it. It says, are you sure you want to connect with Grok? Note, AI LinkBoost API will be charged for this action. So we click on yes, connect. Now it's connecting. Once it's done, we can start running our campaign. Connected. Now we can see here it says connected. Now it is connected. So what we have to do next is, now we can see the start button is enabled. Let's see, we can see here everything is complete. Now it's enabled. Once we click on it, we will finish the next step. So let me click on it. You can see now we finished the next step. So let's take a look at the dashboard. Now our links are being built, and the API or the software is connected to all these tools through their API, Href, SEMrush, Moz, Majestic. And as it built the links and scan, it's showing the domain rating for the URLs that is scanning, and also the domain rating, domain authority, and the Moz and Majestic trust flow and the citation flow. So it's showing us, and these are the stats for all the links that are being found. You can see them here. And campaign health and performance is over 80%. Activity feed, this is what is happening with the proxy and all the activity that we've made so far, and everything seems to be running perfectly. Recent discoveries, so the tool is now using Grok AI to make sure it finds high quality backlinks with this artificial intelligence. Now let's scroll to the top. So this is all what I can show you about this tool. There are a lot of things that I can also show you, but this video, I don't want to make this video a long video. It's going to be a short video. Take a look at the link intelligence. It's also working and discovering, show you live link reports. So normally, once you are a paid member and you have activated your license, you get a list of URLs where you can upload them here and run them for your link building campaign. But because we are using the trial version, so we don't have this URL here. So this is all for now that I have to show you or teach you about how to build links automatically using Grok AI. If you like this video and want to see more of the upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and I will be coming up with more videos. Thank you for watching.